Hello, classmates. My name is Tina Bote Santiago. I am an elementary school teacher with 20 years of HR management experience. I currently work for the Department of Defense Education Activity in Puerto Rico. I've been teaching for about 5 years. With successful completion of our organizational development course objectives, I hope to learn new strategies that support the development of sustainable and supportive relationships within the school to engage all stakeholders. My goal is to build productive relationships that support our community, not only just with students, but among our peers, our faculty, with other school leaders, with the students and community as a whole to meet the needs of our schools. I look forward to listening and learning from each of you as we strive to successfully complete this course as current or future educational leaders. I wish you well. Have a happy new year. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.